Home fitness is back, and it's here to stay as our habits change and public spaces threaten our health. Fitness as a lifestyle isn't going anywhere. It's here at home, where it always was. Fitness at home isn't something new. We've been here before. For those born a little earlier, home fitness might be defined by memories of Body Beat on Good Morning South Africa, or the in-home treadmill and cycling bikes. Home fitness has been in our lives for decades. Ask your parents. And it's taken on a whole new role since the COVID-19 pandemic closed gyms around the world. Maybe we just lost our way, finding ourselves paying hefty gym memberships and working out in pretentious and intimidating environments. What happened to wholesome fitness, living a healthy life that doesn't cost an arm and a leg? When did we start living by the gym corporation rules when it comes to fitness? When did we stop having fun? There is a new way. Many of us are trying to find ways to exercise effectively within four walls. Let's get back to our roots and look inward and make fitness wholesome again in the comfort of our homes. No traffic, no unwanted onlookers, no waiting for equipment, no inflated fees, and no health risk. We can help. We will set you up with your very own and unique mobile fitness box, which contains all you need for your workouts. We will plug you into our fitness organization for just 200 Rand a month. Fitness can now be part of your everyday home and even your family. We provide you with lifestyle guides, all the how-tos from form, posture, and with access to blogs, pictures, videos, and one-on-one conversations with the trainer. A fitness Google Calendar with your entire fitness and workout schedule, with added inspirational tips, tricks, motivation, and reminders. Fitness and nutrition programs designed just for you. Stats tracking that you can access via your Google Calendar so you can track your response and progress in your fitness journey and goals. And discount on our fitness products. Home fitness has never been easier. Believe us, we have tried ourselves. Speak to your DNA connector to join and earn loyalty points for cash. Or you can visit www.grind365.org. Make sure you use your connector's code when making your purchase.